Dito tayo ngayon sa DIPALO, San Quintin. Ay grabe, parang nag-yelo yung tubig. Sige na, alamig. Oh, linaw oh. Ang nakamamanghang eco park na ito ay matatagpuan sa bayan ng San Quintin, Pangasinan. Bagamat continuous pa rin ang development dito, ay nakamit na nito ang most visited park sa rehiyon. Kumita ito ng mahigit sa daang libo sa loob lamang ng isang araw. Sa halagang 20 pesos lamang na entrance fee, ay kayo at samahan nyo akong pagmasdan ang napakagandang likha ng kalikasan.
Yo, it's Aldin TV. Let's vibe and see. In the heart of the wild where we're meant to be. Nature calls, feel that breeze. Terra na bumiyay, let's break free. Yo, and see Aldin TV kabigan, come roll with me. We'll hike the mountains, climb the tallest trees. Waterfalls flowing, got that serenity. The rhythm of the earth, now that's the remedy. With the stars above, we'll ignite the night. Nature's the canvas, everything feels right. Ang sarap makipag-ugnayan sa kalikasan.
Ang linaw ng tubig oh. Ginawa nila ng mga mini pool. Sakto sa tag-init oh. Sarap magbabad dito.
Pagka may oras ka,
Oo, balik kami dito.
tayo dito.
Yan oh. Ang lamig ng tubig as in. Parang galing sa freezer. Yan, meron silang sariling ihawan sa kalutuan. Yung mga kubo. Yan, meron din silang mga kubo for rent. Nasa 500 yata isang kubo. Meron din mga cottages na konkreto. Yan.
Yeah, let's go. Tarmac. Let's journey together. Join Aldin TV, feel the wonder. In the land where heartbeats echo, our Mother Earth a vivid glow. 7,000 islands wrapped in green, with oceans wide, a breathtaking scene. Let's dive into the forest deep and explore the caves where secrets sleep. Feel the breeze, let it guide your way. In the beauty of our home, let's play. Damhin ang kalikasan, it's our call. Together we rise, together we'll stand tall. Oh, can you feel that rush? The whispers of the trees in a soft hush. Let's splash around the waterfalls. Nature's embrace, let the adventure enthrall. Yeah, sa bayang sinilangan, we'll make memories hand in hand. With every step, our spirit's free. Here's to the earth, our harmony. We'll find magic in every leaf, in every stream, let go of grief. Let's celebrate what we hold dear. In this land we love, let's bring cheer. So, Tara na, let's sail the seas, through green valleys dancing with the breeze. Join Aldin TV, let's make a stand for the beauty of our motherland.
Ito naman yung kanilang comfort room. Malinis naman siya in fairness.
Together in nature, our future shines bright. Aldin TV, feel the nature, makipag-ugnayan sa kalikasan, pakalmahin ang kalooban, kalimutan muna ang mga problema. Tayo na at magpahinga, relax ka muna, kaya kaibigan. Aldin TV felt the nature makipag-ugnayan sa kalikasan, pakalmahin ang kalooban, kalimutan muna ang mga problema.
Yo, it's Aldin TV. Let's vibe and see. In the heart of the wild where we're meant to be. Nature calls, feel that breeze. Tara na bumia, let's break free. See, Aldin TV kaibigan, come roll with me. We'll hike the mountains, climb the tallest trees. Waterfalls flowing, got that serenity. The rhythm of the earth, now that's the remedy. With the stars above, we'll ignite the night. Nature's the canvas, everything feels right. Ang sarap makipag-ugnayan sa kalikasan. Living off the grid, that's the ultimate plan. Let's ride with the wind. Come on, let's explore. In the arms of nature, we'll never feel poor. Breathe in that life. Oh, can't you see? See Aldin TV. Come connect with me. Yeah, the trees wave hello. Feel that river flow. Nature's got the glow. Tara na, let's go. Yeah, strum that guitar. Let the beats drop. Feeling the vibes, can't stop, won't stop. With every step we take, discover the land. Living our best lives hand in hand.